I'm Bhavesh Shah. I lead cloud and DevOps practice at LearningMate. LearningMate being a cloud native company, my job is to ensure that we follow all the best practices around cloud security, high availability, performance, and the optimal cost. On the DevOps side, the objective is to streamline the entire software delivery lifecycle. That means right from the moment that a developer commits the code till the time code propagates all the way to production, everything has to be automated. So I work with a very young and dynamic team, in a way, a multi-skilled team. We have some amazing cloud architects. We have people who are very strong at infrastructure automation using Terraform and CloudFormation. We have people who are very good at CI/CD and release management. We put all these things together, and finally, for the project team, they just have to focus on their application development. Everything is taken care by the cloud and DevOps practice. So LearningMate is on AWS since 2013, and we use more than 50 plus services across all our implementing, right from the infrastructure as a service like EC2, EBS, all the way to the advanced services like machine learning and everything in between. The ease of infrastructure provisioning in cloud has its own side effects. And we know that soon every customer deployment gets this over provisioned infrastructure, which are most of the time sitting idle, and there is a scope for optimizing those deployments and saving significant costs. So the overall approach was a very simple 3-step process. Number one, we identified the most optimal sizing for all our infrastructure based on their CPU and memory utilization. The second part, all the non-prod infrastructure was put on auto start and auto stop mode. That means during the off business hours, the infrastructure will automatically be stopped using an automation script, and it will auto start it just before the business hour starts. Now this exercise saved us significant amount of money just on the non-prod environment without making any technical changes on the architecture. And the third step was that all the production environment should go on reserve pricing, because they are anyways going to run for 24/7 throughout the year. And that particular thing saved us 30% on our production infrastructure. So we started this exercise somewhere in the beginning of this calendar year. And the timing couldn't have been more perfect because of COVID and the challenging times, right? This little savings per customer meant a lot. And the cost saving that we achieved from the internal infrastructure that was deployed on AWS, it offset our cost of virtual desktops that we had deployed to overcome the COVID pandemic, right? So we onboarded all our new joinees and more than 150 new joinees without any challenges directly using those videos.